Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Bluetooth problems in Windows 11, 10 Bluetooth icon missing fix. First method is turn off airplane mode. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Bluetooth support service. Change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and re-enable connected network adapter. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth. Update all adapters one by one. Fifth method is open any browser. Type manufacturer name ODI model number. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.